Okay, so when we read in our data, we can see that we've got a list of lists. So this on its own is a list. This is a list, but all of these elements that are lists are part of an overall list. Start right here. So we want to get that out of there. And how do we do that? So let's investigate first of all. So try and get elements into a single list. And I suppose elements, by elements we mean temperature readings. Temp readings. In my case, temp readings. So I am going to iterate through a list. I'm going to use the variable name reading, and in range here and the length of your temp readings list, because this is the fella we're printing out there and this is the data we're going to get back. So I'm going to iterate through this list that we've brought back. And basically, I don't know how many things we had there. If I can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things. So if I print reading now, we should get back 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because look at the range, of course, gives you index values. And we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, you can trust me there. That starts at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's right. Now, if we say here temp readings, which is the actual list, and use string indexing to target, so the first time it's going to be temp readings index 0, which should bring us back 20, but it will bring us back as part of a list, because that's what it is. So in here, I said, okay, grab that fella and print it. Then I said, grab that fella and print it, because that was index 1. Index 2, grab that fella and print it. Then I went, okay, index 3, grab that fella and print it. That's all fine. So we want to get inside that list now. So if we say readings and value 0, because there's only one element in the list, and now we've gone inside that actual list and said, all right, in that list, in index 0, which is just the one element in the list, print out that fella. Great stuff. So we've got it there again, index 1. That'll be index 1 and the element that's in. So the overall thing is index 1, but in that, you go to index 0 inside that list. All right, and that's done. And it does it for the rest of them there as well. And now all I have to do is say, okay, let me create an empty list. An empty list to store readings only, or to get rid of to store readings. Basically, what we're doing is we're kind of getting rid of multiple lists here. That's the whole idea of it. So my empty list here, I'm going to say temperatures is equal to, so a list, of course, done it with square brackets, equals. And down here, instead of going print, I'm going to say, all right, temperatures are equal, temperatures dot append. So those of you doing the exam the last day, we've done a bit of this. We're going to append that fella. And then in here, and then when I get out of my loop, I'm going to say, right, let's print the temperatures list. And in fact, that for loop does not need to be inside the width. This can all be, that fella needs to be. Apologies. We're getting down here now. All right, let's see. Syntax error, valid list. Do we have an extra one of these in here? Maybe we do. And temperatures. Wow. And there we go. Cool. So as you can see, I've showed it one by one. It went in, it got the first fella, and it stored him in the list, and it got the second fella, appended him on, and added him on, and added him on. And now, where we started off with a list of lists. A bit of work to get this far, but a list of lists. We're now just down to a single list with our values in it. And if I just take him out of the for loop now and clear my shell, we can see very clearly how this was my list of lists when I brought the data back first of all and stored it in a list, and now we've got it into a single list, and this really is going to open it up and make it easier for it to work, because now you're talking about index 0, index 1. So like if I just iterate just to show you that for value, let's say in temperatures, don't even do range or anything like that, I can just say print value now, and you can see here how we're going to get out 20, 20, 20, 21, 22. We can access them really quickly, really handy, but that's for the next video.